Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 1972 Chevelle SS 383 stroker. So no, of course it's not numbers matching. It is just an absolutely beautiful car that has been put together over probably the last 10 to 20 years. There are appraisals in the trunk here, $45,000 easy. That was back in 16, so a few years ago. Prices have gone up considerably since then. There's a few extra moldings in the trunk, an extra spare tire. You got a car cover and a license frame. There are two appraisals there along with the history of the vehicle also in there. The car was painted really well. It was painted underneath as well as on top. So the frame also was painted. Can you see underneath there? And nice chrome rear end. The exhaust is looking great. Tires look awesome. And down the sides are fabulous. There's one area of concern I'll show you. It's not a big deal, can be fixed up. But hey, these are older cars, things happen. So have a look in there. You can see the frame is actually painted red as well. Have a look under there. Clean, tidy, beautiful. Just fabulous. We did not see a lot of oil coming out of the car. I don't know if it's got any oil leaks. I didn't see any so far. It looks fabulous. On the inside, it's got the SS bucket seats with a 4-speed shifter and console, SS floor mats. The carpeting is original style of factory. The seats are original style, of course, and the back seats are in fabulous condition. Look at the way this car is put together. I mean, we've sold a few older cars. This thing is just awesome. For a classic car, it's in great condition. It was all rust-proofed, as you can see, when it was new. And it's really been well loved. Have a look in the door frames. They were painted well as well in there. In the glove box, a few little goodies. Here's your original build sheet, etc. All the stuff right there. Kind of cool, man. Really cool. So deep tinted glass. I'll point out that the chrome is not perfect, but looks really good. SS 383 stroker on the side there. Nice looking mags. Goes down the road straight and tight. Nice vehicle. Under the hood, there's that 383 stroker. It's got MSD ignition and throttle body fuel injection, power brakes, and a power steering kit to give it a more modern feel. So when you're driving it, it's really nice and tight, easy to steer, easy to handle. So it's got a competition cam and a bunch of stuff on it. I mean, it's really well done. Have a look underneath the hood even. That's a really good paint job. Nicely done. So, of course, these older hinges, we have to be careful with those. We have to go back up here and just push this one down, and then that'll lock into place. Love the Camaro Chevelle stripes. So I say Camaro because they're still using that on the Camaro. That's the exact same stripe on the factory 2010s. Just right up even to the 2016s, they use a similar stripe. Pretty awesome. Nice looking front grille with the SS in it. Bumpers are looking fabulous. The chrome on them is in good shape. The hood's looking great. There's your cowl induction statement on there. And here's the one area of concern is there's a little bit of rust bubble down there. Again, that can be tidied up and painted over. No big deal. You can even put a brand new fender on if you wanted to. The wheels are in great shape. Nice design. Beautiful. On the inside here, again, you've got the bucket seats. It's got a leather wrap steering wheel. The door panels are original to the car. The dash has been changed, but I have the original dash if you want an original dash, just to be fun. So let's fire it up. Of course, with fuel injection, there's nothing to do but turn the key. Nice exhaust sound and system. It's got a Pioneer sound system there. The shifter on the floor with the 4 gear. Chrome on the steering wheel's in great shape. Gauges all working. That's the joy of the new gauges. Nice sounding engine. Really runs well. That is a beast. There you have it, folks. 1972 Chevelle SS 383 stroker and a 4-speed. here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this